2011 Subaru Outback in great condition with alloy wheels, one owner clean Carfax, and remote keyless entry. Join us at Moses Cadillac Buick GMC. Perfect color combination. Are you interested in a simply great wagon? Then take a look at the stunning 2011 Subaru Outback. It will save you money by keeping you on the road and out of the mechanic's garage. Awarded Consumer Guide's rating of a recommended midsize car in 2011. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.